how to get Canva Pro Team invite link. The first things first, follow this process. The ones that we will be doing right now is for your laptop or PC, but it actually works the same on using your phone. So first things first is pull up any web browser that you want to use and then head directly to canva.com. Now once you're here, make sure that you're logged into your account for you to be able to get that link or URL. Now, next thing that you do is you will be able to see a small drop down under or beside your profile picture right here. Just simply click on that and then go to Refer Friends. Now, from here, a Canva Pro will not come for free. So, for you to be able to get those as a free trial, you'll have to get rewarded or either to subscribe to Canva Pro. So since we are talking about only the link, for you to be able to copy it, just go back to the drop down right here from your profile picture and then go to refer friends. So once successful friends to get Canva Pro working on their end, you will be able to use Canva Pro and get rewarded. So just copy this link right here and send this out to one of your friends. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to get a Canva Pro team invite link.